All right guys, so in this video, we're gonna cover survival mode. Survival mode is basically a free-for-all. It's just hordes and hordes of killer robots coming at you, and you just gotta last as long as you can, hence why I got a rifle and a pistol. But the other cool thing is that you get these little icons that pop up. They kind of give you like power-ups. For example, there's one that kind of slows down time. There's another one that gives you a shotgun rounds. You get a grenade launcher. They only last so long, but they keep popping up. So the further you get, the more icons you get. And also there is a global leaderboard that you can pretty much upload your score to for the entire world to see, whoever's on this software. So you have that competitive aspect as well. But if you guys are ready, let's check out this stage and let's see how long we can last on survival mode. We'll do the first mission on hard. I shouldn't use that just yet. Use your power-ups to your advantage. There's my shotgun rounds. Okay, that was tough, but it was fun. I like the power-ups, those are cool. You got to see the shotgun, the one that slows down time. We didn't get to the grenade launcher, but again, it pops up the further you go. There's also one that kind of heals you. So there you go, guys. Survival mode is great. Check it out. Fun for the family, fun for training as well. If you want more information, go to lasershot.com. I'm Kawa. I train with Lasershot, and I'll see you guys next time.